You ready? Chin. Oh, good boy. Chin. Ready, one more time. Ready? Chin. Good boy. Watson, snuggle. That's a good boy. What a good boy. What a nice snuggle. That's such a nice snuggle. Thank you. We have to teach Watson this because you don't snuggle just by yourself, do you? You ready, Watson Bear? Roly-poly. Yes, clever boy. Oops, Mummy didn't click again. Bang, bang, you're dead. Yay, clever boy. Speak. Good boy. Watson, speak. Speak. Good boy. Woof. Now you're going to do quiet for me. Quiet. Quiet. Good boy. Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. In your bed. In your bed. Clever boy. We need to click for that, don't we? Good boy. You're good in your bed, aren't you? Crate. In your crate. Yay! In your crate. Clever boy. Clever boy. Watson, stand. 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 Good boy. Well, that's it, but that'll do. Give me a paw. Good boy. And the other paw. Good boy. High five. You can only do high five with your right hand. High five. High five. Yes. Look at me. Good boy. Good boy. Ow, that hurt. Gentle. Good boy, gentle. That's a good boy. That's gentle. Yes, that's a good boy. Then, where's my shoes? Yes, that's a good boy. Watson, where's my keys? Yes, that's a clever boy. That's my keys. Yes, that's my keys. Where's my shoes? Where's my shoes? Yes, that's my shoes. Clever boy. Clever boy. In the box. Good boy. Oh God, I've lost my clicker. In the box. Good boy. In the box. Yes. Watson, where's Ronnie? Where's Ronnie? Where's Ronnie? There he is. There's Ronnie. Watson Bear, where's your lead? Yes, that's a clever boy. Up. Good boy. Clever boy. Up. Oops, nearly. We're working on that core, aren't we? Ready? Up. Good boy. Gentle though, gentle. Nearly took Mummy's hand off there. Ready? Up. Yes, good boy. Got probiotic juice on your chin, haven't you? 1, 2, 3. Up. Good boy. Right. Yes, the treats are up here, but this is what you're going to be smelling. This way. Right, I'm going to leave the treats out here. Okay. Smell. Smell. Watson, sit. 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 Good boy. Now, stay. Watson, stay. Now, where am I going to put this? I'm going to put this down here. And then... Okay, find it! Find it! And then... See. Find it, find it! Yes! Clever boy! You went straight to it almost, didn't you? Find it! Watson, find it! Find it! Yes! There's one up there. Smell. Okay, ready? Stay. I'm going to hide it just behind the clock here, just under a bit. Watson, find it! Find it, find it! Find it! it? Good boy. You ready? Roly poly. Take a bow. Not take a bow and sit down, sausage. Ready? Roly poly. We're going to try a whiff this time. Woof. That's speak. What are you saying at? What are you saying at, mister? Are you not in the mood for training? Are you just not in the mood? We can do it later. You like training though. You like learning stuff. Chin. What's some chin? Chin. 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 You lead, Watson. No, that's corned beef. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, cheeky monkey. That's not it. This way. Watson, where's my keys? Uh-oh. Where's my keys? Yes, that's keys. Comfy there. That's a funny position. What's a funny position?